Alright, I have my pattern folded here. In today's class, we are doing our boxers. You can see I folded into two. This is the folded part. This is the closed part that we will still open. I folded it into two. Today, we are doing our boxers class. Today. So this is my elastic band that I'm going to be using for the waist. That's what I'm marking at the starting line. You can see the way I placed it. Please place your own like that. You do your marking first. Then if you are doing in bulk, after marking it, you keep it aside. If you are going to be doing in bulk, then you're going to sell, which is the purpose of this class, for you to sell, learn, sew, and make money. If you don't sell, there's no how you will make money. Abi? Yes, so that's the line. Whatever I'm measuring now is going to start from this line. So this line now is marked out there for our elastic band. And from here, I'm going to mark 10.5 inches. My hip measurement divided by 4 is 10.5 inches. That's what I'm going to use. 10.5. I'll mark it here and mark it here just to get a straight line. Then I'll connect the lines to form a straight line like this. Then from that 10.5 again, I'm going to mark my thigh measurement. I'm going to mark like from my waist to my thigh is 14. My waist to my thigh is 14, and I add 1 inch for stitching allowance. On this other side, I'll mark the same thing, 14 my thigh length, then 15 plus 1 inch, making it 15 for my hemming allowance. Then I'll connect the line again. I'll connect the lines. Then from this side, I'll mark my 10.5 inches here. Then I'll also mark it on this line here, 10.5 inches. Then I'll connect the line to form a square on this top part. Then on this side, I'll go out by 2.5 inches. This 2.5 inches, you can divide your hip. You can divide your hip by 4. Whatever you get, you divide it again by 4. Then whatever it is, you mark it there. Now, my thigh measurement, thigh circumference is 24. My thigh circumference is 24. Then I'm going to divide it by 2. This time, my thigh circumference 24. Then I divide it by 2. And this is what I got here. Then you mark same 24 here. 24 divided by 2 is 12. So on this side, I'm going to make a curve to meet my thigh, to get my crotch depth. And from this crotch depth, I'm going to connect it to my thigh. Please connect it to your thigh. Then from the thigh, you do it to go out like this, so that by the time you fold, you won't have shortage of fabric there. So on this side, on this crotch side, we are going to come down by 8 inches. I came down by 8 inches. Then from that 8 inches, we are going to mark 2 inches. That's for our flap. And we are going to connect it. We are going to connect all the line. Then when you get to this side, you curve it like this. That's for our flap. We are done sketching. Now we are going to cut it out. Just follow the way I am cutting it. There you go. Then I'll slash this side open. So that's that for the front. I'm going to arrange fabric for the back. I'm not cutting anything here. I'm just trimming it to be the same, at that level. I'm not cutting anything. This one is out of it. I should have done it off camera, please. Okay, for the back piece, I've gone ahead to fold into 2 as usual. I have folded into 2. I'm going to make 1 inch mark here. I should have done that before coming back. But I want you to see every moment of it. Every single step that I am taking. Even if it's only these boxers you decide to be doing after this class. You will stop requesting for urgent 2K. Boxers is what people wear every day. Now we'll get the front pattern. The one that has chalk. We are going to place it on this 1 inch. And at the top here, make sure you have up to like 1.5 to 2 inches up there. So the only thing you're going to do here, just fold in this our flap inside. When you fold it, okay, I've gone ahead to place to fold my back pattern. I folded it. I was already cut. Oh god, I'm so tired. I was already cutting before I remember that I have not done the second part of this, the second part. So on this back part, you know, I went ahead to mark 1 inch here. You can see the 1 inch line here. That's the 1 inch line. Then at the top here, I made sure I had allowance. I made sure I have allowance 1.5 to 2 inches. That's the allowance you're going to leave. Then for this our flap, I'm going to fold it in. I'm just using the jotter to hold it so that it will not move too much. So on this side now, I'll come in. On this side, I'll go in by 1 inch. Like you go in here by 1 inch. And from this 1 inch, I have 10.5. I have from this 1 inch, I have 10.5 here as my waist measurement. Then from where I have my one that I came in by 1 inch, I'm going to mark it diagonally. I'm going to mark it diagonally like this from here, making sure that my 10.5 stop at this 1 inch that I left here. This 1 inch that I left here, right? So now I'm going to connect my crotch to this 1 inch. Like this. So that's what I have there. That's what I have there. Then I have started cutting this side already. Please, you extend. Remember to extend. This is my own now. That So that's what we have. So I have this 1 inch here because I didn't add any allowance. That's why I have my 1 inch there. So I'll bring this other part of the front part. The second part of the front part. And I'm going to notch the flap. So I'll notch it like this. Alright, so welcome back. We are now on the sewing table. We are now on the sewing table. So the one on the left hand side, you know, when we cut it, when we finished cutting, it was like this, right? Let's keep the back aside first. It was like this. It was like this, right side facing the right side. So when you open it like this, the one on your left hand side, you're going to pick it up. When you pick it up, you fold it like this. Please follow me. See the notch that we made for the flap. I hope you can see from there. Then we are going to fold it like 0.5, very little like this. You can use your pressing iron to do it. My pressing iron is not close to me now. Then you fold it. Like when you fold the first one like this, then you fold the second one. This second one now, that's what will be on top of the notch that we made like this, like what you are seeing there. Then I'm going to place it on my machine and I will sew it.